Okay. We interrupt this important episode for a quick message this week because I just found out Lowe's has got a clearance going on with some Craftsman, well, with a Craftsman blower. That's not really, doesn't sound like a drill or an impact gun or something, but the blower battery will work with that stuff anyway, so it's a good buy because you get a great big battery and a big charger. Check it out. Hey, Coffee and Tools. We interrupt this episode for an important message. I was just over at Lowe's, and this one here is on clearance for $99 right now. But here's the deal: not only is it Craftsman, you get a charger and you get the big battery with it. So it's actually, you're almost like, for the price of the $99 that I paid this morning, you pretty much get the battery and the charger, which is worth easily $99, and you're getting a blower. I use a blower to clean the sawdust and all the garbage out of the shop here mostly, but the thing was I needed a blower, and so I thought I would just check over in their lawn and garden section where they carry the blowers, and I saw this one. It's on clearance at Lowe's right now. So this week, and I don't know if it's pending like all 48 states, so it'll depend on where you are. I'm in Texas right now, so this is where I found it, at Lowe's in Texas. So you may or may not find it on the East Coast. It might be a different situation, but if Lowe's has got these things on clearance for $99, that is actually, I think, is an absolutely super buy, because you get the big charger and you get the large battery pack with it, and of course the nice Craftsman blower. Of course, the blower itself, I've got it right here. It's brushless. It's brushless. So there's the blower from Craftsman, and it's got a little hook back here. You can hook it on like that, so you can hang it someplace in the garage or wherever when you want to keep it out of your way. And also, it's a brushless, and you have the trigger right here for low speed. And if you need high speed, you hit this button, and boom, you know, you like double the thrust of this thing. I've already been playing with it this morning since I brought it to the house, and I actually put my drill battery from Craftsman on it just to try it out, because the regular battery that came with it right now is, yep, still in the charger charging up. But what a fantastic buy for $99. There's the little manual with it, and there's the item number. So you might want to jump on that if you have Craftsman, or you're thinking about moving into Craftsman. You know, if you're just thinking about moving into Craftsman even, just the charger and the battery, like I said, that is a good buy on its own. And I'll just, actually, you know what? I'll show you the difference between the two batteries that I've got. I paid something in the range of around $129 at the time it was on sale at Lowe's for the drill and impact gun kit. And it came with this little battery, and it's done a great job. I have no criticism, no problem with it whatsoever. We've always liked the old Craftsman logo, so if it's on a tool, pretty much, you know, it does the trick. This is the battery that comes with the blower deal. Look at that bad boy. You know, that sucker is, that's probably, yeah, that is twice the battery that I have. So I can use this, again, because it's the 20-volt battery. I can use it on my impact gun or my drill or something. I also have it for the blower. It's a good, you know, heavy-duty battery. And let's see how it's charged. Oh, it's almost charged up fully. This one here probably about the same. Oh, this one's fully charged. Cool. The charger that comes with this is bigger, and I'm not sure, as opposed to the charger that came with this one. They look identical somewhat, but actual physical size, this charger was a lot bigger. So I think you're getting a better charger for your money, but you're also getting this great big, nice, you know, long-lasting battery. So if you're into that sort of thing, and these are too small, or, you know, been a problem at job sites running out of charge or something, this might be the ticket. But like I said, for $99 with a blower, I would say run over to Lowe's if you can get one. And if they have the clearance going on, it's brushless, man, I would grab that. That's a deal. This was a sudden alert announcement, because these things, you know, these deals with Lowe's and that only last sometimes a few days or a week or something. But when something goes on clearance at Lowe's, it's usually a pretty good buy. So this was, as it turned out, the timing was perfect because really all I wanted was a blower. And I didn't know whether I was going to buy a Ryobi or a Craftsman or a Cobalt. It was like, I just need a small blower, clean the shop. And when I saw the Craftsman with the deal and the battery and the chargers, I thought, hey, I'm probably going to get more and more into Craftsman power tools battery type over the next few years anyway. So it was like, that's a good way to start. Thanks for watching Coffee and Tools. Hurry, run to Lowe's, see if you can get the deal.